So I came here to Touch of Life to treat some long-standing shoulder pain that was honestly starting to affect my lifestyle. I met with Dr. O, and he evaluated my shoulder and told me what he thought was right for my condition. He started me off with PEMF therapy to help rejuvenate cell function and improve circulation, activating my body's natural healing factors for the long-term recovery I was looking for. I'm really big on natural healing, so this approach was right up my alley. Next, he used the MagicLine2 machine, and the warm suction helped release tension and soothe any dysfunction I was feeling. Then he used the MLS laser to treat any deeper inflammation and promote cell turnover for faster, effective healing. Together, we were able to come up with a plan that prioritized my recovery in the long run. Come to Touch of Life for real treatment that actually works.